The celebrations will highlight new technological tools and related developments to complement Uganda's efforts in safeguarding biodiversity and harnessing benefits from wild animals and plants. They will highlight key examples of digital innovations that have been used to enhance wildlife conservation efforts and hence could inspire practitioners to strengthen ongoing efforts to protect wildlife. Our youth have embraced the use of technology in every life. As future leaders and decision makers, youth will continue to play a critical role in designing the future of digital wildlife conservation. Accordingly, the 2024 International World Wildlife Day celebrations will target the youth and leverage partnership with other key stakeholders, schools, communities, civil society organizations, and political leaders to disseminate information and the use of technology in wildlife conservation and the need for enhanced collaboration. The occasion to share efforts being made by government to protect and replenish the country's fauna and flora for the benefit of Uganda and the global community. The Ministry of Tourism will coordinate the national celebrations on behalf of the government. The Ministry of Tourism, therefore, recognizes the relevance and importance of digital innovations in addressing the current wildlife conservation threats and challenges. Digital technology has significantly transformed traditional wildlife conservation strategies. While we cope with human-induced conservation challenges, digital innovations such as drones, satellite tracking, DNA barcoding, and social media have become critically relevant to the contemporary practice of wildlife conservation by improving our understanding of wildlife behavior. Tracking illegal wildlife trade and trafficking, predicting biodiversity threats, and informing effective conservation strategies. As we acknowledge their pivotal role, it is essential to ensure seamless synergies and transdisciplinary collaboration with all stakeholders for the digital transformation of wildlife. The Ministry will promote more investments and research into these digital approaches to ensure we secure a future where humans and wildlife thrive and live in harmony.